Attorney Anslem Clouden called a press conference this afternoon to express his concern for the country as the nationwide bus strike continued today.
It's creating great inconvenience, but the message has been sent. It is not a singular protest. The protest extends to grievances in different aspects.
Mr. Clouden is also offering his service in negotiating a resolution to the impasse.
And I think I'm willing, ready, and able to offer my expertise to the government in the interest of national development. We cannot have the protests continue ad infinitum. We must bring it to a halt. The message has been sent, and if I'm invited to mediate as a former ambassador and diplomat, to bring an amicable resolution to the impasse, I shall be willing, ready, and able, just as I did with the fishermen and in other respects.
The bus operators are hoping the strike will force authorities to look at resolving their issues, which include the issuing of zone stickers and what they call unfair court judgments by the magistrates' court. Mr. Clouden spoke of how mediation can help the process.
I think you should sit around the table and discuss the pros and cons. You have, your trade. It's a trading situation. You give and you take, and resolve it. The busmen have legitimate grievances with respect to the terminal, okay, and the modus operandi, the way the terminal is being operated. It was passed by the act and so forth, but it may need to be revisited with a view to seeing how you can really address the complaints from those who work there. And then there's the magistrate. I'm not going to call any name, but everybody knows. And there's a legitimate complaint, and I have had cases at the Court of Appeal where the Court of Appeal has really reprimanded him and indeed said he acted arbitrary in certain appellate areas that I had taken on behalf of my client. So that's another legitimate grievance. When you take a man's license from him with a family of 4, notwithstanding he has transgressed, but he ought to be dealt with in the context of the law and within certain sentencing guidelines. Because when you take the means whereby a man lives, you take his life. And some of these guys have children to send to school like everybody else, okay? And they ply their route. That's their source of income.
Joseph McKee Smith, GBN News.